It's summertime round 09. On the corner real heavy, nigga won't shine. I had this thick red bone on my armpit. Angelina Jolie, nigga, I was Brad Pitt.
What is going on, my party people? I'd like to welcome you to my channel with one great big aloha. Welcome back to the channel, man. I tell you, man, the weekend goes so fast. Why the work week don't go that quick? Welcome, it's Emoneyshoes. I already know y'all done hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe, share. I done gained a couple of new subscribers. YouTube slowly letting me get back into the fold, so I appreciate it. And man, it's Sunday already. Just dread it, right? Just dread it. But gonna check out the Clarissa Shields fight tonight against Franchon Cruz. This is a rematch, so gonna see what that's all about. Kind of crazy though, they fighting on a Sunday and East Coast, probably gonna be 11 o'clock your time, even Central. That's late. They should have did this thing on a Saturday. I guess they just trying to do it on Sunday for views. All right, well, this has been a brutal month. This February has been the craziest month that I can remember in a long time. We thought 2025 came with the heat, but I think 2026 is gonna outdo them. And we still got one more weekend ahead for us. All right, we got the Wolf Grade Fights dropping on Sunday. That Sunday, Saturday, we have the Union Ones dropping on Friday, along with the Stranger Things. And ain't no telling what else is dropping. So yeah, very, very brutal. But like I said, hit the thumbs up, like, subscribe, share, tell a family member, friend of a friend, so we can hit that 10K by Christmas. I can do my giveaway. That's all I want to do. If we hit it by Thanksgiving, that's even better yet. All right, better yet for us. That also, make sure you go follow the home team, 313 Retro Queen, on all social media outlets, which is YouTube and IG, as well as the bro MCFLYKOF. I think he just hit 5K, so salute to him. But you still go over there and subscribe to him on YouTube and hit him up on IG. Now, if you're down for a dope sneaker battle, Who Has the Heat on YouTube and IG. If you're interested and want to battle somebody, you want to call somebody out, you just want to go collection for collection, by all means do so. Hit us a quick DM. We will be greatly to accommodate you. All right. Now I got a lot of other videos that's going to be dropping, I guess, throughout the week. I'm waiting on some packs to come in. Like I said, I try to do everything because I know everybody don't like the Rock Jordan, so I understand it. So I try to do something for everybody. Diodors, New Balance, Asics, Kangaroos, Elise, anything out there, SBs, Foam Positive, Adidas, all of that good stuff. So if you have something in mind you want me to try to get my hands onto review, hit me up in the comments. I'll get back to you, or you can DM me on IG. I respond to all of my comments. Now, without further ado, let's get into this review. And people are like, oh man, I know he didn't do it again. I'm gonna give this silhouette another chance. So you can see right here, I think this is the best one out of the group. This is a 9.5 Air Jordan 1, and it says blue. 9.5. I think they're going for like 235, 240, but of course I had to get them on the secondary market. I haven't seen these. I don't think they are on the sneakers app yet. Maybe they'll come later, but this is the dopest one out of the pack, in my opinion. You flip the box, you got the Stamper Ramper up there, you got your Union paper. And one of these gonna do better than the OG Union. To me, they look better because this is a double collab. And these again are wrapped like Subway sandwiches. You also should have your little sticker ricker, your little green sticker inside of the box. So if you don't have it, I don't know what to tell you. These were love at first sight. Let me tell you. Let me tell you something. Here we go. Bang, bang. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-wee. Let's do a little spin-a-rooney. Spin it around, get a little back booty shots. Got it right there. And as like I said on the red sport blue pair, some people like those better. Make sure it's embossed. Make sure it's embossed, because if your shoe is not embossed, I hope you ain't being got, because these shoes are too expensive out there. These are a little bit more than the red sport blue. And then you have those ones that look like the panda, the white and black, which is simple. But boy, if you hype these, you're gonna spend $1,000, knock yourself out. I don't know. Those probably won't come down. All right. Normally when you use shoes like that, they normally stay up there unless you catch somebody slipping. Let me get my little smell test. Not as good as foams, but they pass. All right. Very, very dope. And like I said in my other video, Jordan 1s come like this. So you got to lace them up yourself. Back in the day, they came on self-lace, but I get it. Kind of saved me a little bit of time if you want to change out the laces. I think the laces in here, are they two-tone as well? Yep, they're two-tone as well. See, laces are two-tone, as you can see. And you're coming with this distressed tongue, like your off-white. And then you got your paper wafer. You don't get your shoe tree. I don't know what's going on with that, but you got extra laces. You got 1, 2, 3. And you already know which one going on now. For some reason, gold pops in all of those unions that you see. You see inside, you got a nice little information there on your insole. Then around the side, you got information there. Now this is right here, you got some nice little short hair suede around the ankle collar there. And you got your embossed, well, you got, no, let me see. Yes, embossed. You got your embossed Air Jordan, and you're stitching around like you typically do on your unions. Tall, you see the toe box on there. Very, very dope. I'm gonna have to try this without so much light, but I might have to go back to the light until I get my LED lighting. Get that hooked up. You should have a union on the side like so. And you can see how you can see the cuts on here as well. I didn't even show the underneath the shoe. This kind of look like I said, Sport Royal or Royal Blue. And I think it's interesting because you got the 1985 Royals coming out. I don't think I'd be copying those though. Like I said, I'm slowly getting back into ones, but still my most favorite silhouette is the Jordan 4. Like I said, you got this, you got 1, 2, 3. Oh, I failed to mention, I did cop these from GOAT. I was surprised that they got here pretty quick. I think I copped them 2 or 3 days after I got the red and sport blue. Let me see, we'll look around and here, see how I see anything else on this shoe that I can point out. Touching and all of this other stuff. On the tongue, only look on the tongue, the Nike should be looking like so. Make sure everything is touching all on the up and up. On the back of the tongue, you have this like so. See that? And on the other shoe, let me see if we got different insoles or both of them the same. You might have a little bit different. So, I think it's a little bit different. And there's something blocking it. Well, on this actual insole, you have, what did it say? Air Jordan Union in there. And on this one, it says Air Jordan, and I think that's the fragment tag. See that? That's very interesting. That's very, very dope. So this is a double collab. So if you're in a sneaker battle and you need a shoe that has a double collab or triple collab, actually triple collab, right? Because you got Jordan, Frag, and Union. Look at these side panels, man. You got some old pebble stubble, some wrinkle stankle. I don't know if you can see that, but you can see that. Got that all nice there. Very, very nice. I wanted somebody to go actually, because it shows you here, I wanted somebody would make this a low. How would this shoe look? Would it be bad if you kind of cut this off and make this a low? Or that would probably defeat the purpose of the shoe. But you're probably gonna get one person that's gonna be bold and try to do it, and that's gonna be crazy. People probably gonna tear them up on social media. So I can't wait to see the first person who's gonna be brave enough to do that. So I think that's pretty much it for that shoe. Now, just on the Jordan ones, as always, they're not gonna wow you on the comfort level. So out of 5, I'm gonna give them again about a 4.2, maybe 4.4 out of 5 on the comfort. Quality on these is chef's kiss. All right, quality is chef's kiss. I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 5. All right, 5 out of 5. You can let me know if you agree or disagree. And then last but not least, on the price point. Whoa, man. Any Jordan over 200 bucks, even over 180. Whew, man, that's a tough decision on now. But I mean, it is what it is. You got to grab it. Otherwise, you probably end up paying the resale. So I'll give it a 4.75 out of 5. With that being said, let me know. Are you going to try to go after the Sport Red and Blue Union this Friday? I'm definitely going to try to grab another pair. I don't know if I'm be keeping them or trying to probably keep them, because I don't want to be trying not to do all of this hoarding this year. It's kind of rough though, because Jordan brand, y'all are coming with the heat. And we only in the 2nd month. I think next month, the only thing I'm really looking at would be the Laker 4s. One of them being probably going to double up on that. My friend Vito, he gave me a good idea. One for myself personal, and then one to show respect for my father who passed, who was a very, very big Laker fan. So I think I'm going to get those customized in honor of him. And I think that was a very, very dope idea that he gave me. Other than that, I want to cop the UNC foam posits. Foams are back this month. All right, foams are back. Actually, not this month. Foams are back, period, this year. Got them Oregon joints gonna be dropping later on this year. Gotta have them. Looks like you're gonna get the camos back. So, man, what a year to be a sneakerhead, and you're getting a lot of shoes for the low retail or under retail. Nothing better than that. So thank you for spending a little time with me. I don't want to waste too much of your time. Thanks for all the love and respect. Until the next one, Emoneyshoes, and we out. Bye.